Hi everybody and welcome to my channel, and today we're doing Eddie Stobart Moving the Nations issue 33, so let's crack on. Okay, we're going to look at the magazine. We're doing the exhaust and silencer. So I'll have quite a list of parts. There's a silencer part A, silencer part B, main exhaust pipe, mounting plate, 3 1.8 3.5 PM screws, DD04s, 5 2.3 by 4mm PB screws, DP07s, 3 1.8 by 4mm PB screws, DP08, and 3 1.8 by 6mm PB screws, DP09, one spare. And there's a note. This shows inside the two parts of the silencer, 3301 parts A, 3302 is part B. So we're going to basically fit that, and then we're going to fit it all to the engine. And when it's completed, that's what it's going to be like. Excuse me if I'm slipping on a lot. I'm off work at the moment. I have COVID, so this is just letting us catch up on stuff. Probably by the time this goes out, I'll probably be getting over it. Bo Alloy and Stobart is the Eddie Stobart story. There's a pair of daffs. Interesting, the colours are different hours. Curtain cider, what it's like with a load. Give you an idea of the type of loads. A drawbar vehicle, you've got a model of one of them in my cabinet. And this Stobart's M-A-N or man, and it's Laura B. In the 1980s, no, in the 1990s, the Stobart fleet included Laura B, a MAN F90 tractor unit used for holding 3-axle curtain cider trailers for general delivery duties. And on the buses, so MAN built buses as well. And coming in issue 34 will be the radiator fan in housing, the Eddie Stobart story into the 21st century, and the M5 motorway. So here are the pieces. I'll get them sorted and we'll crack on. Okay, we're going to get this and this goes in there. That. And we'll get it DPO8. Goes in there. And another DPO8. Just want to see them. You're going to get this right off. Oh, screws. Seems to be in a bloody angle. Does not want to fit. Definitely the way. It seems that we are meeting up this definitely. These holes do not just do not line up. Okay, I want to look at this offline, come back in a minute. Okay, I think I've got that sussed. Wish the fucking stop falling. Wish the things would stop falling off the bloody driver though. Alright. Right, that's it. Right. Magazine makes it look figgy. Bring the engine down, have a look, check that against that so you get that the right way around. That's the only advice I can give you because I had that the wrong way around. Now, this should now all fit together. Like so. I hate touching this engine. Not many little bits and pieces. Snips in there. Snips down there. It's now. Okay, I've getting this on. I've got to get very careful. Now I'm just going to start screwing it off. So I'm going to go with the DPO4s in here. Yeah, definitely. Maybe look at getting some red paint and touching these screws up. What's that in? And I now want a deep 27 screws, DPO7. Open. DPO7. And the one underneath is tucked up under there. DPO7. Okay. This port is this. I'll have it right first time. That and that goes DPO7. Yeah, it's going to hold on with the DPO7. Right. And, well, this. And that's it, complete. Sorry that took a bit longer this week. Fiddly, but worth doing. You know, that gun is mixed up there. Honest, I would check it against that froze out there. But yep, complete. Hope you enjoyed that, and yeah, I think I'll have to move it again because that is the wrong way round. Look at that, that's pointing down. Yeah. Had it right before first time I got it wrong. Well, I'll change that round off stream. Just needs pulling that back off and sorting it out. So well, I've struggled that with, and I think having the COVID hasn't helped. I'm sweating like you don't know what. But I hope you enjoyed that stream. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, and we'll catch you again next week. So bye for now.